Fuck yeah. How are you? Good to see you fuckers too. It's summertime at the beach. I don't really participate. I don't have the body for that shit. I should try, but I really don't. I thought I made a healthy move. I used to drink a lot of Coke and I switched to sweet tea. I successfully cut bubbles out of my diet. So, I think I'm making fucking strides. But my doctor feels differently. I went to the chiropractor. That's like paying to get mugged. Like that guy, that's like the bullies of the medical industry. I can't stand up straight enough for that guy. It's like, you gotta bring up your posture. That's what's bothering your back. Because I can't, it's embarrassing just to explain to that guy, how did you hurt your back? Oh, living, I guess, kind of strained at being awake the other day, and kind of my main problem. I got to avoid that shit, is being awake. But he's like, you got to bring up your posture. Who stands like that? What, motherfucker? What? You want to fucking do this? I'll go right now, bro. I don't give a shit. I'll throw hands. That's a fighting stance. Nobody just stands like that to stand. Merry Christmas, Mom. I said, Merry fucking Christmas, Mom. What are you, deaf, bro? I'll kick your ass. This is how I stand now. I got a lot of friends that keep hearing about the World Cup. I really wish I gave a shit. I try to care, and I just don't fucking care. I can't do it. I can't. They get to a 0-0 tie, and they're just like, well, that's the game. You ain't getting that time back, are you? I'm sorry, I like to watch sports that have points and they use their hands and fucking black people. You know, maybe if you got some black players, maybe you'd score some fucking points. I like the NFL. I'm a big NFL fan. I love the NFL. I got to go to the Super Bowl a couple times. I didn't play, but I did. It's cool going to the Super Bowl. It's a big fucking, it's a spectacle. You get there, you have a seat cushion with instructions and fucking tools. And it says, during the halftime show, when Madonna sings Lucky Star, pull out your glow stick and wave it to and fro. I'm like, or Madonna could go fuck herself. There's that option too. I just want to make sure. At halftime, I was going to go pee and come back expecting more fucking football. I don't know. You could send her instructions from me to be off the fucking field by the time I get back. I'm a big football fan. That's the thing, though, is I watch football all year, but you can't watch the Super Bowl by yourself. People have a fucking intervention for you. So you got to go to a Super Bowl party. And inevitably, there's people at the Super Bowl party who don't watch football. And they're going to fucking talk. What does first down mean? Oh, it means there's another TV upstairs. So what it means, biggest game all year. You're going to have to shut the fuck up for a little while. I'm sorry. Come back in August if you want a tutorial. I don't care if it's your house. Shut up. I love the NFL. I grew up a Browns fan, but that was really no way to live. And I kind of have a slight man crush on Tom Brady. Like, I'm not gay. I wouldn't kiss him. But if he asked me to, slow dance or something, I'm probably there. Why would I pass that up? I mean, I don't know why he would ask me. I mean, he'd have to make a lot of mistakes between now and then to, so where he gets to the point where he's like, I don't know, John, do you want to dance? I can't stand it. I can't stand when people hate on, like, you know, like I never understood, like, I moved to LA like 15 years ago. I never understood, like, all the Laker hate. Like, there's so many people who hate on the Lakers. Like, dude, fuck the Lakers. I like the Clippers. Shut up. Nobody likes the fucking Clippers, dude. You just pretend to like them because there's fucking seats available. I mean, that's it. That's the only reason to like them. Fucking hate. I get mad when people would offer me Clippers tickets. Hey, I got some Clippers tickets. Oh, thanks. So you want me to pay to park to watch the fucking Clippers? I appreciate that, dick. I just never understood that. I hate the Lakers. Kobe's a ball hog. Because he's good. If I was that good, I'd never pass the ball either. There'd be a bunch of mad-ass dudes on my team. Hey, I was open. Yeah, because you suck. All right, you're gonna be open the whole goddamn game, all right? So just stand over there with the other white guys and shut the fuck up, all right? Go play soccer, bitch. I gotta go. Thank you. Thank you, guys. That's my time.